Embracing family minimalism, creating a tranquil and functional minimalist home. In today's fast-paced world, it is crucial to create space for reflection and mindfulness. By incorporating practices that promote relaxation, self-care, and self-reflection, individuals can enhance their overall well-being and productivity. In the next few minutes, we will explore different ways to incorporate reflection and mindfulness into our daily lives, both personally and professionally. Creating time for self-reflection. One effective way to create space for reflection is by setting aside dedicated time each day for self-reflection. This can be as simple as taking a few moments in the morning or before bed to sit quietly and focus on our thoughts and emotions. By doing so, we can gain valuable insights into our own thoughts, behaviors, and patterns, which can help us make informed and conscious decisions in our personal and professional lives. Incorporating mindfulness practices. In addition to self-reflection, incorporating mindfulness practices into our daily routines can also create space for reflection. Mindfulness practices can include activities such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or even going for a walk in nature. By engaging in these activities, we can cultivate a sense of presence and awareness, allowing us to fully immerse ourselves in the present moment and let go of stress and distractions. Creating physical space for reflection. Creating physical space for reflection and mindfulness can also be beneficial. This can be as simple as designating a specific area in our home or office for quiet reflection, free from distractions. By creating this physical space, we are sending a clear signal to ourselves and others that reflection and mindfulness are important priorities in our lives. Benefits in a professional setting. In a professional setting, creating space for reflection and mindfulness can lead to a more engaged and satisfied workforce. By incorporating regular breaks into the workday and encouraging employees to engage in activities that promote relaxation and self-care, such as meditation or going for a walk, stress can be reduced and focus can be increased. Providing designated quiet areas or meditation rooms in the workplace can also allow individuals to retreat when they need a moment of solitude and reflection. Conclusion. Creating space for reflection and mindfulness is essential for individuals seeking to balance their hectic lifestyles with their overall well-being. By setting aside time for self-reflection, incorporating mindfulness practices into our daily routines, and creating physical spaces for quiet reflection, we can cultivate a sense of calm, focus, and clarity. Ultimately, this enhances our productivity and success in both our personal and professional lives. To stay updated with more content like this, please like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Simple.